What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be making some green beans to go with Sunday dinner, and I'm going to be using the frozen cut green beans from Walmart. Also, you're going to need some sea salt, adobo, black pepper, a little bit of water as needed. I have some extra virgin olive oil here, which I'm going to start the bacon in. Y'all, I'm using a piece of bacon from breakfast yesterday. This is leftover, okay? I used a piece that wasn't so crispy so that it will cut back on some of that bacon grease. I don't want too much oil on my beans, you know. I want some healthy oil, you know. That's why I got my extra virgin olive oil. Then I have half of a small onion, small yellow onion that I diced up, some chicken broth, and 1 potato. I went ahead and peeled and diced my potato up, and you can dice it as small or as large as you want to. Back to the bacon, I'm just going to tear this in little pieces and put it in my skillet with about a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. I got the bacon torn into little pieces. You guys, you can use as many pieces of bacon as you want. Again, I want to cut down on fat while still having flavor in my green beans. So there you have it. In my pot, I got a teaspoon of olive oil going. It's heating up. So now I want to get my onion in. It's been about 4 minutes. I let the onion get a little bit translucent and it's a little brown around the edges. So now I want to put my bacon in, because you don't want your bacon to burn. Stir it up. It's been a couple of minutes. Now I want to get my potato in. And the entire can of chicken broth. Now I'm going to cover this up and let this cook for a few minutes. It's been about 12 minutes and my potatoes are almost cooked all the way through. The bigger you cut the potatoes, the longer it'll take for them to cook through. But now I want to add my beans in. Alright, so just stir everything together. Now you want to season. Y'all, I'm only using just a little bit of salt. I mean just a little bit. That's all. Because the chicken stock and the bacon already has a little bit of salt in it. Okay, now adobo. Season this to your own taste. And then some black pepper. Stir all of this up and cover it until the beans get tender. Ladies and gentlemen, the green beans are ready. It took me about 40 minutes to do this process from start to finish. And that's because my bacon was already cooked. Let's have a taste, shall we? Got me a little spoonful. I had to let these cool off, y'all. They were super hot. They're real good. Now, y'all wondering why this water sitting right here. I didn't need to use any of this water, y'all. The chicken broth was perfect. Like I stated earlier, as needed. And these are ready to be served up with Sunday dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all on the next one.